Welcome to John Marshall High School's Exploring Woodworking Training Series. The Drill Press. The drill press can drill holes very accurately. The drill press is used for drilling and boring holes. It can also be used as a sander and mortiser. Many drill presses are used in industry. Most machine shops, sheet metal shops, and metal fabrication plants use drill presses in various sizes. Auto industries and many other manufacturing plants use high-tech computerized drilling machines and robots to build and fasten together many parts of products. The home hobbyist and craftsman may choose to buy or build a drill press for the home shop. Some very inexpensive setups are sold that will convert an electric hand drill into a drill press for the home shop. The drill press itself is supported by the base. The upper parts are supported by the column. The surface on which the work is done is the table. The table is adjusted with the table locking clamp. Motion is given to the drill with the electric motor. The belt and pulleys are covered by the over-arm guard. Electric power is controlled by the safety switch. The drill bit is secured in the drill bit chuck. The feed handle lowers the drill bit into the stock. The guard protects you from flying chips. Safety procedures. Before placing the drill bit in the drill press chuck, check the speed by looking at the pulley. Material of a size or shape which might be seized by the turning drill must be clamped to the drill press table. When in doubt, clamp it down. When setting up the drill press, make certain the bit or drill does not strike the table. Use a scrap piece of wood to back up the part to be drilled. Always remove the chuck key after tightening or removing a drill or bit. The chuck key must never be in the chuck without your hand on the key. Use a V-block when drilling round wood, metal, or plastic. Center punch all locations when drilling metal or hard objects. Use a sharp bit. Don't force a dull bit. Use a guard at all times when drilling. Wear safety glasses at all times when working in the wood shop. Operating procedures. Check the drill press speed for the size of the drill bit to be used. If drilling wood, John Marshall's drill presses are preset. If you are drilling metal, seek further instruction from the instructor. Insert the drill in the chuck. Again, never leave the chuck key in the chuck. Clamp the stock to be drilled to the drill press table. Use a piece of wood under the stock to protect the table. Adjust the depth gauge to the desired depth of the hole to be bored. Adjust the guard for protection from flying particles of drilled material. Instructions for drilling metal. Check the speed recommended for the particular bit being used on metal. In general, use bits at slow speeds. Check with the instructor for exact speed recommendations for your project. Feed the bit into the stock at the correct rate. Too slow will overheat the drill by friction, and too fast may cause excessive pressure, which may break the bit or damage the stock. Continually lubricate with thread oil the drill bit and metal being drilled. Check with the instructor on more information when drilling metal. Using a mortising attachment. Special operations can be accomplished on the drill press when using a mortising attachment. A mortise is a square cornered hole which can be drilled with a mortising attachment on the drill press. The correct speed to use with this attachment is usually slower than with a regular drill. First, change the drill press chuck to the mortising spindle. Mount the fence and hold fingers down on the drill press table. Adjust the depth gauge to the desired depth. Start the cut at either end of the mortise and make cuts next to each other until all waste has been removed. Using the drill press as a drum sander. Check the drill pulley for low speed. Fasten the sanding drum on the chuck. As mentioned before, never leave the chuck key in the chuck. Fasten a wood table plate to the drill press table with the sanding drum fitting into a hole in the table plate. Lock the quill to the desired depth by using the lock nut on the quill. Hold the work flat on the table and sand with a light, steady pressure. When you are finished with the sanding job, remove the sanding drum from the drill press. And remember to remove the chuck key. Congratulations! You are now ready to take the drill press online safety test.